To give health tips to your child, you can consider the following recommendations based on the information from various sources. Adequate sleep. Ensure your child gets enough sleep, as it is crucial for their overall health and well-being. Regular exercise. Encourage your child to engage in at least 60 minutes of physical activity every day. This can help them sleep better, fight off infections, and improve their overall health and behavior. Healthy eating habits. Promote a balanced diet that includes protein, dairy, whole grains, lean meats, fruits, and vegetables. Encourage nutritious meals and snacks, and limit the intake of sugar-sweetened and caffeinated beverages. Immunizations. Stay up to date on your child's immunizations to protect them from preventable diseases. Hand hygiene. Teach your child to wash their hands frequently to reduce the spread of germs. Parental involvement. Be involved in your child's school activities, know the food and exercise policies at their school, and advocate for healthy options. Positive reinforcement. Reward your child with praise, not food, and avoid demanding a clean plate. Encourage them to ask for more if they are still hungry. Lead by example. Set a good example for your child by practicing healthy habits yourself, such as eating well, staying active, and maintaining good overall health. By incorporating these tips into your child's daily routine and lifestyle, you can help them develop healthy habits that will benefit their physical and mental well-being in the long run.